Account numbers, passwords, and schemes used to steal from the public purse are all clicks away on the dark web. Scammers keep on finding new ways to defraud the Canada Revenue Agency. A Fifth Estate Radio-Canada investigation has found that fraudsters have been duping the CRA for millions. 100% success, claims one scammer.
Obviously, the door is open and some people are infiltrating the system, but CRA does not seem to have found the key to lock the door.
Messages posted online this year at the height of tax season point to a breach of data relating to Canada's leading tax preparer, H&R Block. Using what are called e-file credentials from the company, fraudsters hacked into the CRA accounts of real taxpayers and filed false returns. The agency didn't spot the fraud before it approved $6 million in bogus tax refunds, according to sources. In a statement, H&R Block said the data breach did not occur on its end. Ultimately, who hacked that data and where from remains unknown. But sources say this is just one of the many privacy breaches and bogus payouts that could damage the reputation of Canada's tax collection agency.
We have a trust relationship between taxpayers and CRA.
This expert says the CRA is too soft a target in an age of online filings.
CRA has to tell taxpayers, look, we have a problem, this is happening.
Ottawa reported 113 material privacy breaches at the CRA since 2020. After our investigation, the government admitted it was hit by at least 31,000 breaches, exposing the private data of 62,000 taxpayers. The CRA acknowledges it has wrongly paid out $190 million to scammers over the last 4 years, most of it in 2020. In a statement, it said that as scammers adapt their practices, so does the CRA.
I think the agency has a robust system. We're working hard to improve this system all the time, and we have this capacity to detect, to block.
But that's not good enough, says the opposition.
In the latest scandal to hit the Canada Revenue Agency, over 60,000 taxpayers had their personal private information hacked. Over $190 million have been improperly paid to scam artists because of privacy breaches at Revenue Canada.
And now the NDP is calling for parliamentary inquiry into the mishandling of tax fraud cases at the CRA.
So, Danielle, your story is getting obviously a lot of attention, but there's still a whole bunch of unanswered questions here.
Yeah, that's right. The government will not even talk about the breach involving H&R Block credentials. They're citing privacy rules. It remains unknown, for example, why the CRA paid out refunds to people using fake addresses, or why they didn't detect the fact that fraudsters were using the same bank account to get refunds on behalf of unrelated taxpayers. It's also not clear why so many privacy breaches went unreported for so long. And many taxpayers who say they were the victims of this type of fraud are now reaching out to us. They are frustrated at the way they've been treated by the CRA and the months they've wasted trying to clean up their tax files.
No doubt. Danielle LeBlanc, thank you.